Let's talk about the future of programming and how it's being transformed right before our eyes. Coding is evolving at a rapid pace, and the way we write software is changing dramatically. For years, writing code meant painstakingly typing every single line yourself, troubleshooting errors, and spending hours searching for solutions. Now, artificial intelligence is stepping in as a true coding co-pilot, writing functions, debugging tricky issues, and even helping design entire applications from scratch. These AI-powered tools are quickly becoming essential companions for developers at every level, from beginners to seasoned professionals. The two big names leading this revolution? OpenAI's ChatGPT and the specialized DeepSeek coder, both making waves in the tech world. ChatGPT-4 is the versatile generalist, able to tackle a wide range of tasks, while DeepSeek is built specifically for code and technical problem solving. So, does a specialist tool outperform the all-rounder? That's exactly what we're here to explore in this head-to-head comparison. The right AI assistant can supercharge your productivity, help you learn new concepts faster, and make coding more enjoyable. The wrong one, though, can leave you stuck and waste valuable time. Today, we're putting both ChatGPT and DeepSeek to the test with a real-world coding challenge to see how they stack up. We'll see how they generate code, assist with debugging, and what their overall performance looks like in practical scenarios. By the end of this chapter, you'll have a clear idea of which AI might be the best fit for your workflow and coding style. Let's dive in and see what these new coding assistants can really do. Here's the setup. Developer A uses DeepSeek. Developer B uses ChatGPT-4. Both work in Visual Studio Code with identical settings and the same prompt. The task: build a Python web scraper to grab product titles and prices from mock-shop.com/products using requests and Beautiful Soup 4. The prompt asks for clear comments and error handling. This challenge tests real-world coding skills: HTTP requests, HTML parsing, error handling. We'll compare the code they generate, run the scripts, and check for accuracy and speed. We'll also look at code quality, cleanliness, readability, and best practices. This isn't just about code generation. It's about how useful that code is as a foundation. Let's see how they perform. The prompts are in, and the AIs get to work. DeepSeek generates the script almost instantly, fast and efficient. ChatGPT-4 takes a few seconds longer, but not by much. DeepSeek's code is concise and technical, with minimal comments, great for experienced users. ChatGPT-4's output is more like a tutorial: detailed comments, clear structure, and a main function for best practices. Both scripts work flawlessly, scraping the correct data and printing it out. Execution speed is nearly identical, under half a second each. The main difference? DeepSeek is direct and efficient. ChatGPT-4 is thorough and beginner-friendly. On correctness and performance, it's a tie, but their styles are clearly distinct. Real coding means dealing with bugs, and sometimes those bugs are sneaky. To test our AIs, we introduced a classic one. The script searches for an HTML class that doesn't actually exist, so it returns empty results and leaves us scratching our heads. This is the kind of mistake that happens all the time in real projects, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer. We decided to see how both AIs would handle it, so we sent them the broken code and asked for help fixing the problem. DeepSeek jumps right in, quickly diagnosing the issue. It points out the wrong selector, suggests double-checking the HTML for the correct class, and offers a direct technical solution. It's efficient and wastes no time. ChatGPT-4, on the other hand, takes a more conversational approach. It explains why the bug happens, walks you through the debugging process step by step, and makes sure you understand the reasoning behind each suggestion. It even recommends adding print statements to your code so you can spot similar issues in the future and build better debugging habits over time. Both AIs fix the bug, but their styles couldn't be more different. DeepSeek is like the fast expert who gets straight to the point, while ChatGPT-4 is the patient mentor who wants you to learn as you go. For professional developers, DeepSeek's speed and precision are a huge plus. But for those still learning, ChatGPT-4's detailed explanations and teaching style are invaluable for building confidence and understanding. There's no clear winner here, just two different philosophies for solving problems, each with its own strengths. The best choice really depends on your experience level and what kind of help you're looking for in the moment. Both AIs are effective at solving the problem, but the user experience and the learning you get from each are very different. This round really highlights the value of having options when you're coding. Sometimes you need speed, sometimes you need guidance. Depending on your goals, you might want a quick fix one day and a deeper learning experience the next. In the end, both AIs deliver solid results, but they do it in their own unique way, giving you the freedom to choose what works best for you. Let's look at the numbers. We scored each AI on code correctness, clarity of explanations, and speed. Both models scored high for correctness. DeepSeek 9/10, ChatGPT 49.5/10, thanks to ChatGPT's extra best practices. For explanation clarity, DeepSeek got 7/10, accurate but technical. ChatGPT 4 scored a perfect 10/10 for its clear, accessible explanations. On speed, DeepSeek leads with 9.5/10 for instant responses. ChatGPT 4 is slower at 8/10, but its clarity can save time in the long run. DeepSeek is best for quick boilerplate tasks. ChatGPT 4 shines when you need to understand or learn something new. The right choice depends on your priorities, speed or clarity. Both are strong performers, but they serve different needs. The data backs up what we've seen in practice. Time for the verdict. Let's break down the strengths and weaknesses of each tool and see which one fits your workflow best. DeepSeek's pros? It's lightning fast, concise, and perfect for experienced developers who want direct, no-nonsense solutions. If you already know what you're looking for, DeepSeek gets you there with minimal fuss, helping you stay in the flow and maximize productivity. But there's a trade-off. Its main con is that it offers minimal explanations and sometimes skips over best practices. For beginners or those who want to understand the why behind the code, this can be a real drawback. ChatGPT 4, on the other hand, shines as an excellent teaching tool. It provides well-structured code, clear, thorough explanations, and helps you build a deeper understanding of programming concepts. Its con? It's a bit slower, and sometimes the explanations can feel overly verbose, especially if you just want the code and nothing else. My take? Use DeepSeek when you're confident in your skills, know exactly what you need, and want to move fast without distractions. It's a fantastic productivity booster for pros who value speed. Use ChatGPT 4 when you're learning, exploring new territory, or need help understanding a tricky problem. It's like having a patient mentor by your side, ready to explain every step. The best developers know how to use both tools, switching between them depending on the task at hand and the level of support they need. It's not about picking one forever, it's about having the right tool for the job and knowing when to use each. DeepSeek is a productivity booster for pros who want to get things done quickly and efficiently. ChatGPT 4 is a learning accelerator for everyone, making complex topics accessible and easy to grasp. The smartest move? Stay flexible and switch between them as needed. That's how you get the best of both worlds and keep growing as a developer. So what's the bottom line? The AI coding assistant market is maturing, offering specialized tools for different users and tasks. If you value speed and already know your way around code, DeepSeek is your go-to. If you're learning or tackling something new, ChatGPT 4's explanations are a huge advantage. Try both. Most offer free trials. See which fits your workflow. The future of coding is AI-powered, and you have more choice than ever. Whether you want a focused specialist or a brilliant generalist, there's an AI co-pilot for you. Now's the best time to find yours.